It's time for your journey, your questions. This is when we answer a question we received recently during our online Journey to Retirement workshop. Matt S. had this question. Can I convert from a qualified account to a Roth more than once? I'm Molly Nelson here with Loren Merkle and Clint Huntrods. Loren, what would you tell Matt?
Multiple conversions. We love that strategy. In fact, we talk with the families and individuals we serve all the time about how many different Roth conversions they can do. So the simple answer is yes. You can do as many Roth conversions as you want to, as what makes sense for you based on what your plan is. So you can convert multiple times in the same tax year, or you can do multiple conversions over the course of your entire tax strategy. It doesn't matter how many conversions you do. What really matters is how much conversions you do in that particular tax year.
And you're going to tell me there are rules around this. Just like everything you do in the financial world, the IRS set some rules.
Well, I had a call with somebody, a Retire Ready call. They'd been watching the TV show, and we were talking about Roth IRA contributions on the show. On the phone call, we started to discuss Roth conversions, and this particular individual said, well, I don't know why I would do that. I can only do $8,000 per year. I said, no, that's actually not the case. On a conversion, there is no limit, as you had just mentioned. That's only on direct Roth IRA contributions. You've got the $7,000 or the $8,000. On a conversion, it just needs to make sense tax-wise. As part of your tax plan, there's no limit, but you want to make sure you're not going to pay any more tax than you need to as part of your longer-term plan in any given year that you're doing a conversion.
So you can convert as much as you want to, and as many times as you want to, but you just want to be very intentional.
And this came up during the online Journey to Retirement workshop because that's exactly what John and Sue do. They use a Roth conversion as a very powerful strategy within their plan.
Yeah, and in their case, it makes sense for the longer term tax implications to get money shifted over into the Roth IRA bucket, and then it's going to be able to grow tax-free for the rest of their lifetime. If they don't spend it, which they might not, in their particular case, they leave a big legacy behind, that's actually going to pass on tax-free to their beneficiaries, which is a very efficient way to transfer assets when you pass.